Hi, this is Mateo. It's January 13th. It's 8:16 in the morning, and this is him fussing in his car seat. High chair, because he doesn't like it. Let's try to feed him. I don't know what that sound is, but it's killing his voice. He wouldn't eat any of his rice cereal. We are on week 4 of it, and
Wednesday, January the 13th.
Happy 4th birthday to
he was liking it over the weekend. Saturday was the last time that he ate a good bowl of it, or a good tablespoon of it, and now he won't take it anymore.
turning 30, lots of birthdays for big sis Diana and
Yeah, he kissed himself doing this.
celebrating 30.
He's not crying. I don't know if it's complaining or if he's actually trying to have fun. I don't know.
Happy birthday, Joaria.